of the valve. This is the second grid. If we only open this, the fire is smaller. And the second grid, if we open this valve, the fire will be bigger like this. So we can control if we need the fire bigger or smaller. So this is all your inlet and this is all your outlet. This valve always be closed. And this is the fan blower. It's automatically adjusted. We don't need to adjust it. This is the control cabinet to ignite the fire or on or off. I will put on the English label. So we put on the igniter, the fire burner here, hidden the flanks, assembled here, and put on the power. They have each of power. So when we start the fire, we need to open this valve. And when we start the fire to bigger, we open these two valves together. And when the furnace temperature reaches very high and flammable gas is also using, we can close this valve only using this smaller fire valve. Diesel burner for the preheating system. It's automatically working. This is continuously working carbonization furnace. This is the feeding conveyor. All the raw material go into the furnace and go through these 4 pipes, rotating working, and finally discharge at the final one, cooling conveyor. It's with the double layer with the external the water cooling down and discharge. All the smoke for the inner drum comes out from here, and then all go through this tap and going through the water purification system and return to the furnace. There are 3 burners with a long pipe to heat. Return to the furnace and use as a heating fuel. 3. This is additional airlock to make the good shielding when the discharging comes out. Here we use a ball valve to let the wood top.